Hey everyone, welcome back to Macube Cleaner channel. Today we've got a game changer for all you Mac users out there. If you've ever wondered how to keep your Mac clutter-free for optimal performance, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore its key features and guide you through the process step by step. Keeping your Mac computer clutter-free is essential for optimal performance. Clearing the library caches folder can be a game changer, and with user-friendly tools like Macube Cleaner, the process has never been simpler. Macube Cleaner offers a range of cleaning modes to suit users of all levels, making it easy to remove unnecessary data and free up valuable space on your Mac. Macube Cleaner is designed to ensure that users can navigate effortlessly through its 8 cleaning modes. These modes include App and Extension Uninstaller, Large and Old Files Remover, Smart Clean, File Shredder, and more. The software allows you to selectively choose the storage you want to scan and clean, which keeps your data safe. It also has a 7-day trial version. Now let's walk you through the steps to clear caches in your folder. First, you have to install the latest version of Macube Cleaner on your Mac and launch the application. Then choose Smart Scan from the cleaning options on the left sidebar. Now click Smart Scan again at the bottom of the screen. Navigate to the left sidebar, select Application Cache, and choose Unwanted App Cache for deletion. Finally, click the Clean tab and allow Macube Cleaner to efficiently clear library caches from your system. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly clear cache on your Mac, creating gigabytes of storage space and optimizing your computer's performance with Macube Cleaner. Don't forget to regularly clean unnecessary files and data to keep your Mac running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and as always, thanks for watching Macube. See you in the next one.